Hi, I'm Joe from J. Karras Recycling, formerly M. Dunn Recycling. We're located at 3611 Welsh Road, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, 19136. Our phone number is 215-624-2420. Our prices may change. Sometimes they change week by week, sometimes day by day. So give us a call for the most accurate price. Our phone number is 215-624-2420. This is our blog for June 21st, 2022. Scrap Metal, Philadelphia. Well, today's blog, we're going to show you how we use this machine here. We're going to make an aluminum can bale. This is our empty machine when we go to start to make a bale. These are the chains that hook to here. When this lifts up, the chains pull up to this position and they dump the bale out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in back of the baler here. I'll disconnect these chains right here. And take them off, and then what we got to do, we got to put a top over this so that the cans don't go in the hole, because this is where we slide our wires through when we tie a bale up. So we're going to put some flat pieces of metal down. We got that down. Now that clogs the hole, so when we put our cans in, okay, now we close our door. It's a nice heavy door. And we lock it tight with this gate hinge here, nice and tight. And now we'll start dumping our cans into our bale. Okay, we put a bunch more of these in there and we'll have a bale. We've already dumped about 40 or 50 bags of cans into our machine, about the size of this bag here. We'll dump a few more in and then we'll make up this bale and show you how it's made up. Got to get every can out of the bag. Always one sticks in there. We'll get a couple more bags and we'll dump them right in there. And as you see, we just keep dumping them in. There's a whole bag of aluminum cat food cans. A lot of people don't know a lot of cat food cans are aluminum, so we'll dump them in there. Okay, we'll keep dumping them in. Okay, we got the cans in there and we'll show you how we squeeze them down and we'll crush them up and make up a bale. Okay, we shut the gate. We're ready for the hydraulic cylinder to press the platform down and squash our cans. Let me press the button here. Okay, we got to scrape the cans from blocking the holes. That will be where our wires will go through these slots to tie the bale up. We'll get a little top on this bale. Put some flat pieces of aluminum so the cans don't re-clog up the holes. And now we give it a final press. Keep the press on it and keep it tight, and we'll tie it up with wires and knock it out. Okay, we'll open the door and see what kind of bale we got here. And that's our squish bale of cans. We just got to put the wires through, tie it up through these holes here. And plug the holes and we'll knock that right out. There's our 5 wires we need to tie it up. We'll take them over and tie that bale up. Okay, here we have the 5 wires. We put them through the slots. And then I have to climb back there and push them back through the other slots up on the top here, so I'll do that now. Okay, we ran the 5 wires through the back. Now we just take them and we tie them up. And that's it. Just move that gate out of the way. Okay, that's tied up now. Okay, we'll drop this bale out. Okay, we'll move this bale out of here. hope you enjoyed our blog for today. That's the way we make aluminum can bale. That bale takes about 40 or 50 bags we had to dump into the machine. And then when it's all done and we take it out, that bale weighs about 400 pounds. A regular bale of aluminum siding or something we'll make will weigh about 1,000. So the cans are a little bit lighter than most aluminums. And that's about all I can tell you about the cans today. Thank you. Our 4th of July vacation is here. So we'll be closed from Friday, July 1st through July 10th, reopening Monday, July 11th. Hope to see you then. Thanks. We're located at 3611 Welsh Road, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, 19136. Our phone number is 215-624-2420. Hope to see you soon. Thanks. You can visit us at www.mdunnrecycling.com.